Hey all, Will Healy here, and I want to talk about Weld Spatter today. In robotic welding and especially MIG welding, we can really build up a lot of debris flying through the air. And for automation, that could really be a challenge. I mean, like right here, you can see I've got a pile of Weld Spatter that built up on a pipe. Look at this thing. It's absolutely ridiculous. Look at all of that. And it's one solid piece of metal now, but every single one of these was a tiny piece of metal flying through the air, red hot, smoking hot. And the problem for automation components is a lot of them are made of, aluminum or some light metals, and then typically some plastic. So what can happen is that weld spatter, that little BB flying through the air, can actually damage the face of an inductive proximity sensor. And that little yellow bit you see in the camera there is actually the coil of the inductive sensor itself. And so this sensor failed from one little piece of weld debris burning through the face of the sensor. And so, I've got lots of examples here, but you can see that one got burned off just from weld one BB there. Here's one that got burned off right in the middle right there. That's just crazy. And the smaller the sensor, the easier that they can damage it. This one doesn't necessarily look like too much, but debris built up on the sensor itself and actually cooked the electronics inside it to the point that the sensor didn't work anymore. And so that red hot weld spatter going everywhere, all over, can have serious problems and implications for our production process. So, the way we fix this is we put in place sensors with coatings on them, like Teflon, PTFE, or other ceramic coatings. And we definitely have to protect these faces, whether it's a coating on the face that's weld spatter resistant, or even metal faces and steel faces and these kinds of things. So I'll put a link down in the comments for some examples and some additional information about how to resist weld spatter for automation components in robotic welding automation. Hope you have a great day.